So I am editing the video and I'm still not sure if I was very clear about what the challenge is all about. Basically, I wanted to show the world what kind of difference you can make with this very simple nail care routine. And the nail care routine is pushing back the proximal nail fold every single day, applying ointment and at night, and applying oil after each hand wash.
Hi everybody.
Hi everyone. Challenge time. Super exciting.
Super exciting.
So if you have bad nails, this is your lucky day.
Indeed.
Yeah. So the challenge is, I talked about it yesterday a little bit in the video. What's the video?
The elephant.
The elephant. But what elephant and overgrown cuticle have in common? So watch this video, and
we discussed
today,
a little bit about the challenge.
The challenge. Okay, so we're gonna explain the challenge. It's actually very, very simple, and anyone can win. Anyone with 10 fingers can win. Okay, so
hell, even if you have one finger
missing or something.
No, just have one finger in general.
Yeah.
Listen.
Okay, but the hands, only hands. So you need hands. You need fingers, you need camera, good camera. Well, phone.
You need fingernails?
Yeah, fingernails, skin around the nails. Okay, anyway, this is getting silly. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the challenge. So you're gonna have to submit before pictures between now and today is what? June 16th and the end of this week. So it's going to be June 19th and all the dates are in 2022 in Barcelona time, in Madrid time, which is the European time. Central European or something. Now David got me all scared.
Central Eastern.
Yeah, whatever.
Savings time.
Yeah,
we're not too sure,
time.
but
okay, the time in Barcelona right now. Okay, so it is very important to take proper pictures. Without proper pictures, I cannot view the pictures properly, right?
I think we should probably tell them what we ask of them first to be a part of the challenge.
No. Okay, but. No, hold on. Okay, so the video to the, I explained it in the previous video. So the link to the video where I explain how to take pictures is in the description below. So please click that. And now, how to win the challenge is this. Very simple. Spend a month caring for your nails. Super easy, very, very easy routine. The routine that I suggest is every day you're gonna push back the proximal nail fold. You're gonna nudge it very, very, very gently. You every day, preferably at night after a shower or after washing your hands, you're gonna do that nudge thing. And then you're gonna apply urea-based cream. And any cream will really do. I prefer Kerasal because I know it works very well. But you can use other creams with urea. I like Kerasal because it has urea, has salicylic acid, and it has Vaseline in it. It works really well. And it has glycerin. And then after you wash your hands each time during the day, so just grab a little bottle with a little bit of a jojoba oil. That's my preference, but you can use any other oil. So you don't have to buy anything and we're not making you buy anything, but this would be this gives you the best results. So then you would send us after pictures from July 18th, 2022 to July 24th, 2022. I'm gonna put all these dates in the description box and whatever I forgot probably. So now, after we receive hundreds of pictures, what if we receive hundreds? Thousands.
I'm scared.
Okay, I don't know. What if we get 3? Anyway, so we are going to,
very easy.
Yeah, we're going to pick our 5 favorite examples.
Yep.
And on the 28th of July, 2022, we will make a poll on YouTube, and you guys will vote on your favorite picture, on your favorite before and after.
Mm-hmm.
But where are we going to take the pictures? We're going to make a video. And then you are going to vote on that poll. Yes. I thought everything, but not really. And the votes will be open until July 31st, midnight Barcelona time. On August 1st, we will see who the 3 winners are. And now, the first place will get $100 US dollars.
$100 US?
Yes, $100, 100 USD. And the second place is going to get 50. And the third place, USD, and the third place is going to get $25, all US dollars. And it's, so we initially wanted to do Sephora card, but this was difficult because we would need
multiple countries. There's some red tape and logistics
the billing address had to be in the US or other countries. It's impossible. So we figured we're going to send you money through PayPal. And I swear this is not a scam or anything. I know it sounds really bad, but we didn't know what else to do. So if you have a PayPal account, the challenge is open to anyone with PayPal account. Right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. And then also, we wanted to make a video and kind of show the world the amazing progress that you guys have made. So the pictures that you have sent me, they have to be available for us to use. So if you send them to me, please know that they can be used in a video, right? Give me a permission. Like, if you don't want to give me permission, then unfortunately don't send us pictures, because we want to use these pictures and show off your progress.
You'll be famous.
You'll be famous.
Yeah. Your hands will be famous. And you're like, oh, those are my hands.
Okay, so this is it, no?
I believe as such.
Yeah.
Whatever we've missed,
because for sure I'm going to realize that I missed something.
It'll be in the description box.
In the description box.
So guys.
So the challenge name is Overgrown Proximal Nail Fold, not Cuticle Challenge.
Good Lord, you
No, because Overgrown Cuticle, no, because people have to learn that this is proximal nail fold, living skin, not a cuticle. So the name of the challenge is Overgrown Proximal Nail Fold, in brackets, not cuticle, challenge. I'm making it very difficult. But there is money to be made, so it is what it is.
Oh, and we should be a subscriber. They have to be a subscriber. You have to be a subscriber in order to enter.
Yes.
If you are not a subscriber, you cannot enter.
No.
You shall not pass.
And you should give us a like on this video.
If you want to win $100,
give us a like.
Give us a like.
We're bribing people now.
$25. Would you hit the like button for 25 US dollars?
Cents.
I know I would. Heck, I would do it for free.
Yeah.
Heckins.
Don't confuse people. Anyway, so this is it. This is it. And I am so excited.
I'm so excited
to see your pictures and to see your progress. I can't wait for August.
For all the thousands of entries for the money.
We're going to keep you updated and kind of...
and before we go, guys, if you do send in pictures and they are not proper quality, unfortunately we will not be able to use them.
Yeah, because if I can't see something,
you
so white background... Yeah. So, and obviously, anyway, so the video about how to take pictures is in the description box.
So you have to watch that.
Yeah.
You have to watch it.
Yeah, and by the way, it's super important, and I know, like I talked about it, before you take pictures, always wipe your camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't try and take pictures with a potato.
Yeah. See you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please, 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 let us know in the comment section if you're entering.
And good luck to all those that are going to enter into our wonderful
first challenge
contest.
Yes. Thank you. Bye.
Ciao.